arting!
Hello, welcome to Arting Tips. This is Miss Patty, and today we're going to be learning some tips and tricks to use oil pastels on black paper. You're going to need a black paper and oil pastels. Mark with your white oil pastel, mark 2 fingers under the top of your paper and make a line. And now you're going to mark the corners at the bottom of your paper, and you're also going to make a line there. And you're going to make a line at the bottom. Now we have this square. This, we're going to divide it into 3 segments. So you can make a mark on top, eyeballing that you have 3 similar areas, and you're going to slowly bring down that line. We are here, and we're going to do the same thing going this way. You need to divide these into 3 segments, and you're going to mark those lines. So your project should look something like this. On the first square on top, you're going to give it a W because we're going to be using white in all of these squares. On the second row, you're going to mark an L because you're going to use a light color. And on the last column, you're going to mark an M for main color. So now I'm going to show you in 2 layers how to make your colors pop. Your main color is going to be the final color that you want to have on your project. Let's pretend I want to have a dark blue like this one. You're going to outline and fill in the shape under the M for main color. If you look at this blue, it's very muted and kind of grayish and really dark. It doesn't really pop. And now I'm going to show you how to make your colors pop with 2 layers. So under the L, you're going to use a light version of the color, for example, this light blue. And under the W, you're going to use white. You're going to outline the shapes and fill them out. So this is our first layer. Dark blue is my main color. And now we're going to move on to the second layer. My second layer is always going to be done with my main color. So here we have the second layer on the M, and you can tell that it's still very dull and very gray. Now we're going to do a second layer on top of the light blue. We're going to outline the shape and give it a coat, a layer with my main color. Can you see the difference? And now I'm going to do the same thing with my main color on top of the white. I'm going to outline and fill it in. This is the difference in the colors when I have a light coat underneath or a white coat underneath. We're going to do the same thing with your orange. Let's do main orange. We're going to outline and fill it out. For your light color, you can do skin color. You could also do yellow because both are lighter than orange. Outline and then fill it out. And on the white area, I'm going to clean my white oil pastel on a spare piece of paper. I'm going to outline and fill it out. And now I'm going to use my second coat of my main color with main color, second coat on light, and second coat on white. Outline and fill it out. Outline and fill it out. Outline and fill it out. So here again, you can see the difference between my main color on black, that it's very muted, and the ones that have a light coat underneath. On the last color, you're going to do your favorite color to complete this worksheet. And this is how my worksheet turned out. You can see the difference on each color depending on which layer do you use underneath. I would recommend using these 2 types to make your colors pop. Like the video and leave me a comment with your favorite color, and I will see you next time. Ciao!